Hey guys, how's it going? My name is Adam. Today I'm going to show you how to fix Spotify is currently set to offline. So one of the ways to fix our problem is by going forward to your app. So Google Play, make sure that your Spotify is fully updated. And while you're going there, make sure that your network is on, right? And nothing happens. So if you double check if the Spotify is updated or not, and you check your internet connection and all that, and still facing that same issue, what you're gonna do, you're gonna open up the Spotify app, and then basically what you're gonna do, you're gonna click your avatar icon at the top left, click on the settings and privacy, and then click on playback. All right, and you're gonna see an option right here for offline, right? And make sure that you keep it make sure that you toggle the picture in picture on, right? Picture on picture off, in order to save your offline. So when you're offline, you'll be able to play the music that you've downloaded, if you have downloaded the music. And as you can see, I didn't actually downloaded a music on Spotify. So let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe, turn on the notification bell to receive every video we upload. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one.